Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPad model and iOS level so you know which battery options are available. Once done, enable low power mode and drop screen brightness to about 50% because display power dominates usage. Next, turn off background app refresh and set mail to fetch manually. This reduces wake cycles. Make sure to close heavy apps only if they're misbehaving, versus constantly force-quitting, which can increase battery use. You now focus on connectivity and app behavior because radios and rogue apps drain battery fastest. Use Wi-Fi versus cellular when possible, and turn on airplane mode in low-signal areas to prevent constant tower searching. Then limit location services to while using or disable for non-essential apps. GPS is a major power sink. Finally, check battery usage per app and uninstall or restrict any high-drain apps. These steps reduce background activity and keep the device asleep longer. You finish by setting system behaviors and maintenance habits that sustain improvements. Change auto lock to 30 or 60 seconds and use dark mode on compatible screens to save display power. Maintain the battery by storing and using the iPad between 32 degrees and 95 degrees Fahrenheit and aim to keep charge between 20% and 80% rather than full cycles. If battery still drains quickly, run the built-in diagnostics and try reset all settings before seeking service. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.